Today we're excited to introduce the Linenspa folding metal platform bed frame, a versatile and sturdy solution for your bedroom needs. This queen-size bed frame is designed with a traditional aesthetic and features a robust steel construction that offers even support and exceptional stability, eliminating the need for a box spring. With 13 inches of clearance, it provides ample underbed storage, making it perfect for kids' rooms, guest rooms, or any space where you need to maximize storage. The assembly process is a breeze, taking less than 5 minutes. Simply unfold the base and hand-tighten the leg support bolts, and you're all set. Compatible with most mattress types, this lightweight yet durable frame can hold up to 1,000 pounds, ensuring a restful night's sleep. Plus, it comes with a 5-year warranty against manufacturer defects, so you can rest assured knowing your investment is protected. Designed 1 inch shorter than standard mattresses, it offers added convenience, safety, and support, making it an excellent choice for any modern home. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.